Now let's add the banner like this. So we have an image, then text, then two buttons. So let's quickly add it. Let me collapse the lower navbar. Now let's add a div as banner, some comment, then div as banner. Okay, and then inside it, let's create a container. Inside this, let's create a row, and inside this, since we have a kind of a limited, text here, let's use call md5, and inside this let's add the text as explore Nepal with the best travel agency, and then create two actions button and a.btn.btn primary, and then some left right padding as px3, and then here nothing, and then start booking. Okay, another button as view offers, and its color should be danger. Okay, now if we do that, save it, and then let's see the preview. Perfect, I got the almost similar output, not exactly same, but it's enough. And let's add this image. To add this image, I need to add styling to it, banner, and then let's give the fallback color as 444, height as 650 pixel, and then okay, need to give some text white here. Okay, perfect. Now let's add the background image and then URL. Now since our CSS is inside the CSS folder and our images are not directly accessible from CSS, I need to basically give the relative path to this image folder. So for this // come out of the CSS folder and then image and then banner, and then no repeat, don't repeat the image, center as x-axis, center at y-axis, and then cover as size. And yeah, that's it. And this way I got the banner now. Now I need to give some transparent effect. So to do that, let's give the pseudo element before, and the first thing I need to do is get this image here and content as empty. Okay, now when I use before, any pseudo element before and after, I need to give content as some content. Here in my case it's empty. Now let's position it to absolute, and then top should be 0 and left should be 0, and then width should be 100% of whole parent, and then height should be 100% of whole parent. You can see I got everything covered. Okay, and since I have given this as banner as absolute, I need to make the header as our header should be position relative. Okay, and now I need to get the z index of all the element of header greater than some number like 10. Okay, now this way I don't get the upper navbar because I need to give its position as relative as well. Okay, This way we got our intended navbar and with banner. Okay, now I need to give some transparent effect to this, which can be easily done with opacity. Now I need to use something like 0.7, and you can see I got like this, or 0.5. okay, this should be enough. And now I need to make it center. So if you see our name banner, this is actually, you can make it as flex, and then this become row, make it as flex, and then justify content start. Okay, which is same, justify, and but align items should be center. This way we get our intended result. Okay, now I need to add some margin here. Margin top to free, maybe 5. Yeah, perfect. So 5 should do. Okay, let's add some banner h1 to some style, because this should be bigger, and font size, let's give it to 2 rem. Okay, it's still 3 rem. Now it's too big, 2.8 rem. Okay, now it's good enough. So this way our banner is also complete.